trying to install or update Microsoft Edge only to be stopped by error 0xC0000006. This error code usually points to a status in page error, which basically means the installer is having trouble reading the files it needs from your drive or a networked location. The quickest fix is to stop any existing Edge processes that might be locking the files. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Edge setup entries, right-click them, and select End Task. Next, we need to bypass the standard updater and use the Edge standalone installer. Often, the web installer fails because of connectivity blips. Search for Microsoft Edge for Business on the official site, select your version and build, and then we'll use the full MSI or EXE installer. This offline version is much more stable. If that doesn't work, your antivirus might be blocking the installation process. Temporarily disable your real-time protection or firewall and try running the installer again as an administrator. Another common culprit is a corrupted system file. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit Enter. Let Windows repair any underlying issues that might be preventing the installer from accessing memory correctly. Finally, check your drive for errors. In that same command prompt window, type chakdsk/f and press Enter. You may need to restart your computer for the scan to finish. This will fix any disk-level issues that triggered the 0xC06 error. Once your system is verified and the old processes are cleared, your Edge installation should sail right through. Restart your machine one last time and you will be back to browsing in no time. If the video helped with you, give it a like and subscribe to that channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.